2 weeks ago, Maurice, director of Homerenoguru, issued me a challenge to complete a full renovation of a kitchen in just a week. So, I gathered my team, Swiss Interior, and after much planning, we put our plan into action. This kitchen renovation was to include hacking, retiling, waterproofing, electrical, plumbing, gas, cabinets, cabinet worktop, kitchen worktop, and the glass backing. Thanks to our experience working with our dedicated team, we are happy to say that we have managed to complete our renovation 2 days ahead of schedule. We created a fully Excel, hardware-optimized kitchen full of solutions that will save a lot of time and space. As for the design, we use subway tiles for the walls and Heribon design wood strip tiles for the flooring. As for the kitchen cabinet, we went with a classy and modern laminates from Caminex, matching with Marina Blue and Vero Blanco with silky matte finishing. We use crystal white for the glass backing and white quartz for the tabletop. Lighting is important in any design, and we pair LED strip lights and ambient spotlight so homeowners can have a variety of options to create different effects. So, at the end of the day, this 1-week kitchen challenge is not all just about the speed. It's about the quality of work, design, and smart solution that we provide for our homeowners. Most importantly, is to fit in the homeowner's schedule. And with the quality team behind me, we are proud to launch our Swiss Express services to provide good and quality works for our homeowners. I'm Ronnie, Swiss Interior.